Welcome to a quick tutorial showing you how to make use of custom party fields. Custom party fields allow you to define additional fields that are associated with your parties. This way you can extend the out-of-the-box Mediate2Go functionality with fields that are relevant for your practice. In order to access the custom party fields, we navigate to Settings under Organization and then Party Input Fields. Here we can see that we have 4 different types of party fields that we can customize. There's a text field for short words or a few words, text area field for a paragraph, select field for a predefined list, and date field. If we make a new text field, we can see we can ask for an additional field called name, and we can indicate that the field's required, and upon clicking save, we'll see that that field's added. We'll also add a new text area field called description, a select field called language, and finally we'll add a date field called age. We're free to change the order of these, and this is the order they'll show up on the party input screen. Now that we're happy with the order that we have, we can go over to our party, and if I create a new party, when we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see we have our custom fields: name, age, language, description. So we have our text field, our date select, our drop-down select, and our paragraph field or text area. We're free to go back and change these settings at any time. One word of caution though, if you do remove a field or archive it, that information will still exist for any parties where you may have populated it to date. However, it will not be prompted for in the future going forward. If you have any questions about this video or any other features with Mediate2Go, don't hesitate to send us an email at support@mediate2go.com. Thanks.